Have on. To wear something. She always has on a stylish hat. I forgot I had on my favorite watch until I took it off. Have over. To invite someone to your home. We're having the neighbors over for dinner tonight. She had some friends over to watch a movie. Have out. To take something out, usually to resolve or discuss. We need to have out this argument once and for all. They had the issue out and came to an agreement. Have in. To have someone inside a place, typically your home or a room. I have the plumber in to fix the leak. She had a few guests in her living room. Have up. To bring someone to a higher level or to confront someone formally, often in a legal context. The company was had up in court over their safety record. He was had up by the teacher for cheating. Have around. To have someone near or present. It's nice to have family around during the holidays. She always has her dog around when she's working. Have off. To take time away from work or other responsibilities. I have the day off tomorrow, so I'm going to relax. He had the whole week off for vacation. Have at. To attack or confront someone or something. He had at the problem until it was solved. They had at each other in a heated argument. Have against. To hold a grudge or have something negative against someone. I don't have anything against him. We just don't get along. She had nothing against the proposal, but she still had questions. Have back. To invite someone to return. They had us back for another visit. I'm looking forward to having them back next year. Have up on. To accuse someone of something. He was had up on charges of fraud. They had him up on suspicion of theft. Have down as. To consider someone to be a certain way or to categorize them. I had him down as a quiet person, but he's very outgoing. They had her down as a potential candidate for the job. Have along. To bring someone along to an event or a location. She asked if she could have her friend along to the party. We're having our kids along on the trip. Have on hand. To have something available or within reach. I always have extra cash on hand for emergencies. It's good to have some snacks on hand for guests. Have out with. To discuss something openly, usually to resolve an issue. I had it out with him about the misunderstanding. They had it out with their boss over the new policy. Have to do with. To be related to or connected with something. This project has to do with improving the customer experience. What does this decision have to do with our previous discussion? Have in mind. To think of something or someone in particular. I have a few ideas in mind for the event. Who did you have in mind for the role? Have on hand. To have something available or nearby. I always have a pen on hand for taking notes. It's good to have some extra supplies on hand. Have on. To deceive or joke with someone. Are you having me on, or is this for real? He thought I was serious, but I was just having him on.